What's up guys, this is Ben Bond of OAB Photography, and this video is about me unboxing the Godox AD600BM. I actually just got it. My Jinbei HD600 got broken yesterday and I quickly had to get this one for a series of shoots that I have coming up. So I basically got the manual one. I didn't get the TTL one because I don't really use TTL for my shoots, and I already have the Godox X1T for Fuji since I use Fujifilm. So just stay tuned and let me open up this box for you to see what's in there. Alright, so just opening it. Oh, the manual, Godox AD600BM, all-in-one outdoor flash. Well, yeah, so I'll get back to the manual later. Okay. Ooh, see that? Looks great. So basically the lights, the battery, and okay, you let me take it out. Wow, it's really heavy. One of the reasons why I didn't want to get this lights in the first place is because I felt it looks too delicate, like one smash on the ground and then it's gone. But it looks solid. Okay. So this is it, Godox AD600B. As I said earlier on, I didn't get the TTL version. I don't use the TTL much. I prefer the manual version. Okay, so this is the light, and it's a Bowie mount. Okay, I guess the lock is here. Right, and this is the charger, and then the battery. I guess I need to charge it now before I slot it in. And the bulb, I guess. Yeah, so this is the model lamp and this is the bulb, the strobe bulb. Alright, let's see. Yeah, got it. Wow, this is really heavy. It's heavier than I thought. Okay. So let's do this one. I guess this goes here. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So this part of my Jinbei HD600 got broken. That's the reason why I had to get this light. So I'm guessing this light has a firm grip and would be able to hold my modifiers. And all of my modifiers are Bowie mount, so I had to get the Bowie mount version of this light. Alright.